this. Ready? Okay. Oh my gosh, why do the lightning's not working? That's pretty much better, I think. Yeah, pretty much. Okay. Connect it. Angle. Look at this purple. It's pretty. It's really pretty. Look at this pretty purple. So we're gonna make a bubble with this little hair tie in it. So that's what we're gonna do right now. Okay, I'll put it
It's like we're repeating the same thing if you want.
No, we just put it down and stretch it.
It shows my hand there and it shows my hand here, so.
Over here is like a bright, nice camera. Is that enough?
Yeah, let's see.
Ready?
We're gonna fit that hair tie.
One, two, three, down. Done it. That's a good 1, 2, 3, down. Oh, you didn't. I didn't.
1, 2, 3, down.
You can't tell. Okay, guys can tell. There's a mini little bubble here.
There's a bubble actually, guys. Let's let you guys take a better look.
And the hair tie is actually in it.
The hair tie.
Oh no, it's evacuating. Ah, it's evacuating.
Ew, my hair tie is so gross.
You can't. I don't know if you guys tell, but there's another camera right here.
Yep.
And there's another camera right there.
I don't know if you guys can see it. It's right.
Okay, so we have 3 cameras.
3 cameras. Recording all this nasty stuff. Okay, that's trash.
Yeah.
Well, yeah.
Anyway,
That's all for today.
I
I hope
you
you all cameras enjoyed. Make
Make
sure to smash the like button in the
Bye.
face. And see you next time. Thanks for being